Now, South Africa, does anybody actually have the answer so as to how to defeat Cassper Nyovest? Please indicate by a show of your right hand. Anyone? Keenan, please, you've had more than enough answers for 1 year. Let's let other children answer. Anyone else?
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Hey yo, what's up, man? It's your boy Tisco D, aka Mr. Flow So Nice, aka Matiba Totle, because you already know, man, I talk too much, and I'm back with you with another one, Bafetu. Now, Cassper Nyovest Tito Mboweni, that has been hated on for so many weeks on Twitter, people coming out to say it's trash, they don't like it, and not hated just by fans, but also some musicians such as iFan and AKA has also come out just speaking on the song. Is actually doing great numbers on YouTube after Cassper Nyovest dropped the music video. It's just about past 500,000 views, and it did this in 3 days, which tells you a lot about the song, which tells you a lot about, you know, Cassper's marketing ability. I'll just read some of the tweets that he came out speaking about the song yesterday and today. He actually came out saying, Tito Mboweni, the song has only 23 days out. The video dropped 4 days ago, and it's already sitting at 550,000 views on YouTube. And then he says, boss. He continued in another tweet to say, 530,000 views in 3 days. Tito Mboweni is a smash hit. Please retweet. Click on the link to watch the Tito Mboweni vid. Now, Bafetu, like I asked the question at the beginning of this video, I said to you guys, what does it take to beat Cassper Nyovest? Because I still maintain my opinion. I'm one of the people that actually came out and said Tito Mboweni is not a terrible song, but neither is it a great song, and I don't think it's a good song for a lead single to an album you're actually saying is going to be your greatest album of all time. I'm one of the people that said that, and my opinion hasn't changed. But I will say that Cassper Nyovest, and I've always saluted him for it, I always say that Cassper Nyovest is a marketing genius, man. And I'll say this because if you look at what he's actually doing with this particular situation, he saw that the song had a negative response, but to cover up for that negative response towards the song, he drops a music video and makes sure that the music video is so good that you cannot deny the fact that, you know, the music video is good. And he's going to use that to actually say that Tito Mboweni wasn't as terrible as people said it was. Which is, for me, it's actually brilliant. When I actually sit down and think about it, I'm like, you know, as far as marketing is concerned and PR is concerned, that is just brilliant. I don't know whether he has a PR team or his own PR team. I would like to believe that he does. Those guys need to take the credit. Those guys need to be given credit, because what they did was actually very smart and very intelligent. But Bafet, I want you guys to let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you guys think that people are watching the Tito Mboweni music video because they actually love the song? Or do you guys think people are watching the music video because of the hysteria that happened when the music video dropped, and it having so much quality in it, or the quality of the music video? So are people watching the music video because of the song, or are they watching the music video just because of the powerful visuals that Cassper dropped? Leave a comment in the comment section, and definitely subscribe. Awesome.
Now wait, Emma Pili. I know you wanna go, but click that red button and subscribe and put some respect on a younger name, man. Awesome.